Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the variables and data types in C. Okay. So first we will see what is a variable. Okay. What is a variable? Okay. So variable is one type of container. Okay. One type of container. Okay. Where where we are going to store the data type value. Okay. So value we are going to store in the that container, that is known as the variable. So this is one type of container where we will store the value of some data types. Like if data type is integer, then we will store a number. If data is float, means we will decimal we will store. If character means char name character, we will string we will store. So this is the data types where we will going to store the value of data types in the container, that is known as the variable. So this is one type of container where the value we can going to store name, anything, float, and code file. So this is the integer data type, char data type, float data type. We will see what is all data types and what is the range and size. But coming to the variable how it will store the data value of in that container, that is known as the variable. Okay. So this is a container where it's a storing. What a storing? It's storing the value of data types. Which type of data type is there? Integer. So for integer data type, it's the storing the value. Take here say character. So this is a container where a storing data types of character. Okay. So that's what the variable. So basically how to define the variable means variable is a one type of container where we are going to store the value of data types, that is known as the variable. Okay. Like how to declare a variable, what is the syntax of a variable? Okay. Then syntax. See, I said take any variable name. Suppose I VL. Okay. This is a one type of variable where, so without data types we cannot initialize or declare any variable, right? So we have to write the types. So this is the types. Types is nothing but data types. Which data types? And this is a variable, and in variable we can assign some value. So which type value we can assign? Now integer I'm going to initialize. Okay. So this is the syntax or declaration of variable. So types means any type. Integer data types variable equal to 10. So here initialization, this is the data types, this is the variable. Okay. And in variable we are storing what? Storing integer. It is what? It is one type of data value where we are going to store in the this variable. Well, okay. I hope you got it variable. Okay. So now we will look data types. Data types, and we will do practicals in my PC. Then we will see like how it will execute. Okay. So in data types, we have to look data how many types of data types. Like there is various of data types: integer, char, float, double. So this is the some range and some size is there. Okay, for that. So types, range and sizes. Okay. Sizes is depend upon the your controller. Okay, in your PC, which type of controller is there. So based on that, the size will decide. Okay. So types means we will see unsigned integer. Okay. So unsigned integer, how, what is the range of this? 0 to 65,535. This is the range between unsigned integer. And what is the size? So size is, as I said, it's depend upon your controller. Okay, which type of controller? In some controller it will take, and always size will come in bytes. Okay. So it will take 2 bytes in some PC. It will, in some PC it will take 4 bytes. Okay. Now signed integer. Okay, so what is the range of signed integer? So it will take from minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Okay, and what is the size of this? So same as I said, it's depend upon, so in some case it will come 2 bytes, some it will come 4 bytes. Okay, now unsigned. Okay, so what is the range of unsigned char? So here range is 202 to 255. Okay, and what is the value of? It will take 1 bytes of character. Okay, now signed char. Okay, what is the range of this? So it will take minus 128 to 127. This is the range of signed character. Okay, and it will also take 1 bytes. Now float. Float, it will take, the range is 3 minus 3.4 38 2 plus 3.4, sorry, e exponential 3.8. This is the size of float. It will take 4 bytes. Okay, double float. Okay, double float 1.7 in 3, sometime it will take 308. Okay, 2, it will also come in minus. Okay, so 1.7 into 2. Okay, so this is the size of double float. It will take 8 bytes. 8 bytes. So this is the range and data types and size. Okay, so we will see in the practical like how it will be work. Okay, with the example I will explain here also once. See, if as I said variable. Okay, right, so we will declare some variable, take any name. So variable I will take, suppose a I am taken. Okay, this is a one type of variable. So which data type? So write any data type, integer data type. So this is the data type. Okay, data type. This is a variable. Okay, variable, and initialize some value in this variable. So initializing 10. So this is what, this is the data type, a variable initializing 10. Okay, so if you want to print, then pf percentage d, then give a. Okay, so output will come 10. Okay, if you want size of that integer, then you can print. So for that, like we have to declare int a semicolon. Okay, then print pf sd and size of a. Okay, a. So it will come, sometime it will come 2, sometime it will come 4. It's depend upon your controller. Okay, so now we will do in PC in practical, and we will see like how we will work in teaser character. And okay, so here we will see this is the one type of online compiler, GDP compiler. Here we can learn. Okay, we can execute what we learn. So as I said, variable, right? First we will declare a variable. Okay, take any val name. So some data type it should be there, right? So and take integer data type and initialize some value, right? So give any data. Now print. Okay, so here I said this is the data type integer. Okay, this is the one type of variable. In that we are storing the value of data type. What is the value of data types? 10 as an integer. Okay, so output should become 10. Yeah, it's came 10. Okay, so if you want to know what is the size of our PC, then we will see like it is a variable print size of integer. Okay, integer equal to in bytes, right? It will So size of variable. Okay, so sometime it will come 2, sometime it will come 4. It's depend upon your controller. Okay, sometime it will come 0 also, garbage value it will take. So let's see what it will come. Okay, redeclaration I done. Okay, 1 second. So I will change field 1, I will give. Okay, yeah, see the size of integer it's kept 4 bytes. So our controller, our microcontroller is 4 bytes, so that's why it's kept 4. Okay, now similar we will see to float. Okay, take a, okay, take a as a variable, assign some decimal value. Okay, 0.10. Okay, 5. So now sorry, so I forgot to inform, I didn't जो F4 is for floating. Okay, so and for integer we are writing decimal. Okay, and for character we are using C or S. Okay, so basically C are using for character, S are used for a string. Okay, so now here we'll do second, now A equal to, okay, so it should become 10.5. Yeah, so it's coming 10.5 as a float, it will take as a decimal. So these are the format. Okay, so now coming to the character. So as I said, character will take a single byte of data value. Okay, so here we have to, when you are going to initialize in single quotation, we have to do. Okay, print so it should be print T. Okay, because it's a single parts of character it will take. Okay, yeah, I hope coming right. Able to see right. So here T is printing variable 10, size of integer is 4 bytes and float for 10.5, and for character it's printing single bytes of data T. Okay, so I hope got it. So this is the C programming series, like a variable and data types. So another video we will see some another topics. Okay, thank you for watching this video.